model apartment, but this one sells privacy with 78% of open space, no common wall, and only 4 homes per floor. This is Mana Dill by Mana Projects in Sarjapur. Hello everyone, and very warm welcome to Housey. And today we'll be doing the complete project overview of this project. And right now we are here on the actual site of the project, and I'm standing on the main entrance of the project. So this is the main entrance of our project, and once you enter, the land parcel starts from here, and the marketing office is just behind me over here, where you can check out the sample flat, the miniature, and experience your future living. Now, before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount, offers, and many more. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So Mana Dill is spread across 6.97 acre of land parcel, consisting of 6 residential tower, with each tower of 3 basement ground plus 28 floors, offering you 3 BHK in different variants and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located in Sarjapur East, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and I'm standing on the main entrance of our project. So basically this is the Gopal Krishna Adiga road, and this road will connect you towards Koretti. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and the location part. So you can connect to RGA Tech Park in just 8 minutes from the project. Wipro New Campus is 10 minutes away, and upcoming metro station is just 10 minutes away from our project. Now about the amenities part, and this project offers you luxurious amenities like a 55,000 square feet of grand clubhouse with indoor and social space. Here's the swimming pool and wellness zone, skywalk, party lawn, half basketball court, and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the super built up area, and this project offers you 3 BHK in different variants and 4 BHK premium residencies, where 3 BHK compact is 1482 square feet super built up area, 3 BHK regular is 1590 to 1606 square feet super built up area, 3 BHK large is 1786 to 1823 super built up area, and 4 BHK is 2145 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and our project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a complete project overview of Mana Dill by Mana Projects, located in Sarjapur East, Bangalore. If you are looking for more details of the project, you can click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.